What's up, guys? In this video, I will show how to enable call recording and record phone calls on iPhone with iOS 26 update. So let's initiate the video. Method 1. Enable call recording from Settings app. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings page and select the Apps section. Now, scroll down and find the Phone app, and then tap to open the phone settings. Afterward, scroll to the Calls section and check whether the call recording option is disabled. If yes, go to the call recording setting and turn on the toggle next to it to allow the phone app to record your conversation during calls. Please note that when you enable call recording on your iPhone, the audio notification automatically plays before the recording begins. You can't deactivate it. Also, the call recordings can be transcribed in the Notes app. Method 2. Record phone call. When your iPhone rings, you can easily record the call by tapping the More option and selecting the Call Recording button. If your iPhone is unlocked and you receive incoming calls, go to the banner notification, tap the green button to receive the call, and tap the More option. Then, select the Call Recording option. The call recording starts at that time. You can access your call recordings from the Notes app. Hope you found this video helpful. Write your queries in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.